Hello to my fellow co-admin BFF Mariam21 and to all the Team BFF channel members and to all the YT friends and supporters. I would like to greet a happy birthday to our team leaders Ricky B Vlog and Cardo TV. May you continue the good example of leadership to our team. I am so proud. I'm so proud na napaka-strong to, very strong person and napaka-supportive. Ayan, kaya mo protektahan yung ating Team BFF and concern sa Team BFF. Ayan ang number 1 at saka thank you so much and I appreciate that. Ayan, once again, happy birthday and I wish you more birthday celebrations to come, good health and to your family. Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng long life and more success of your YouTube channel, Ricky B Vlog and Cardo TV. Once again, happy birthday. Bye!